Hello stalkers and welcome to our channel. In this video I will show you how to find this special artifact called weird water, which will reduce your weight and give you the ability to go faster through water and through some harsh environments on the map in Stalker 2. So let's start right away with that. First up we are going to open our map and I will show you where you can locate weird water. So be sure to find this Zaton or Zaton area on the map, and if you zoom in over there you can find this anomaly sign saying wandering lights. That's the one that we are looking for. Make sure you find that on the map and go over there so you can find this special artifact like we are doing in this video. And when you arrive somewhere near this area, you will need to wait for it to go dark. Actually, you need to wait until 10 p.m. And when the night falls, these green lights will appear around you. Now, we did try getting the artifact with the detector, but you actually do not need detector for this one. None of the detectors will help you to get this artifact. You just need to listen to the environment, go in between those lights, follow the sound that they are making and try to find the artifact. And after some time wandering around the area, we started hearing some strange sounds. And there was a short sound of bottle dropping on the ground, so make sure you have your volume up to max. I will now stop talking and let you hear what I mean. So listen carefully. Around the place where we heard the sound, we just found a bottle laying on the ground for us to pick it up. And right away when you grab it, you should move around from that place, because anomaly will appear and try to eat you alive. And that's all that you need to know about weird water, guys. Also good thing to know actually is that you need to place this bottle on your waist, actually on your belt, so you get those special abilities. You will feel a little bit dizzy or look drunk, but don't worry, perks from this artifact are great, so I suggest you use it, especially if you need to run or jump in some water area. So that's all that we prepared for this video, guys. If this video helped you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. It's free for you and it means a lot to us, so we can continue making these tutorial videos. So I hope this video helped you. Let me know down in the comments what you think about this special artifact and have you used it? When did it help you? Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.